My name is Jared Todd. I'm going to show you a little bit about how to profile, and then we're going to go in and we're going to profile this blade and get it to its final shape. Now, first of all, what you can do, the corners of the wheel here are one of your biggest assets for removing the most material. You can really push into the corner and remove a lot, because when you push into the whole belt itself, it creates quite a resistance. It doesn't remove material as fast. So you'll notice that as I remove these larger sections, I'll really rely a lot on the corner of the wheel. And when you do rely on a corner of the wheel, you want to track the belt a little bit over that corner of the wheel so you don't run into the rubber, which will destroy the wheel. So I'll start this up and we'll adjust the tracking and we'll get started. As you can see, it's taken off quite a bit, and you just continue doing that around until you bring the metal into these lines that you have drawn. So I'll grind a little bit more out here in this finger cutout and then bring this down to this edge. Make sure you wear your safety goggles.